Did you know a king once married a woman he called a horse, and she became richer than him? In 1540, King Henry VIII agreed to marry Anne of Cleves, after seeing just one painting of her. The artist Hans Holbein had made her look stunning to secure an alliance with the Protestant Germany. When Anne arrived in England, Henry disguised himself as a messenger to surprise her, but the surprise was on him. He was so shocked by her real appearance that he called her a Flanders mare, and desperately tried to escape the marriage contract. The wedding happened anyway for political reasons, but Henry refused to sleep with her and immediately started annulment proceedings. Anne, however, was no fool. She agreed to the divorce in exchange for a massive settlement, multiple properties, and the title of a loved sister. While Henry died young and his other wives met terrible fates, Anne outlived them all. She became one of the wealthiest women in England. Her quick thinking turned royal rejection into lifelong fortune. Sometimes losing a king means winning everything else.